A sales engineer assists in a company's sales process regarding technologically advanced products. Enterprise applications come with a variety of features, integrations, and requirements that the engineer must communicate effectively to the client. In the case of B2B sales, the client is another business. Sales engineers bridge the gap between product development and the sales team, using their specialized knowledge to help close the transaction with the customer. This unique job is in high demand, with many tech sales engineers generating high salaries and serving vital roles in their respective companies. Software can certainly play a role in the job of a sales and demo engineer by helping to automate certain tasks and by providing tools for presenting and demonstrating products to potential customers. For example, a sales and demo engineer might use software to create and deliver presentations, to schedule and organize demos, to manage customer relationships, and to track sales leads and opportunities. Bridging the gap between enterprise software developers and B2B clients is a challenge that not many professionals can take on. As such, software sales engineers need to have several qualities. For example, relevant education, such as a bachelor's degree in engineering, computer science, or any other related technical field. Some business knowledge is necessary as well, and many sales engineers receive software sales training while on the job. Communication skills. Being able to interpret and convey highly technical software concepts in an easy-to-understand way is an essential skill. Being clear and succinct matters when it comes to communicating complicated software features. Problem solving. Your approach to sales must be solution-oriented. A sales engineer can find ways to make the software more appealing to clients by showing off the right features and what they do to fix problems. In this video, we learned about software sales engineers and their successful qualities. If you would like to learn more about CloudShare solutions, feel free to visit www.cloudshare.com today.